Every combustion cycle begins here. This marine injector delivers the precise amount of fuel required for efficient combustion. When injector performance declines, engine performance follows. Each component has a specific function. Fuel enters through the high-pressure connection before passing through internal components and exiting the nozzle as a finely atomized spray. Injector service life depends on operating conditions rather than a fixed number of running hours. Fuel cleanliness, filtration, operating load, and scheduled maintenance all influence injector wear. During inspection, technicians look for carbon deposits around the nozzle, corrosion caused by water contamination, and physical damage. These symptoms often indicate performance issues. However, injector testing should always be completed before replacement to confirm the root cause. Professional testing measures opening pressure, leakage, spray pattern, and overall injector performance. Test results determine whether the injector remains serviceable or requires replacement. Routine maintenance significantly extends injector service life. Always use clean diesel fuel and replace fuel filters at scheduled intervals. Drain water separators regularly and investigate injector-related symptoms before they develop into major engine failures. Regular injector inspection is a key part of reliable marine engine operation. Understanding wear patterns and recognizing early signs helps reduce downtime and protects valuable engine components.